Hello, my darlings. Welcome. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. I am C, and this is CJ DIY. Today, I'm gonna show you some beautiful wooden flips that I made for our kitchen everyday look. And with that being said, we're going into my first DIY. I found this beautiful, cute rolling pin that I purchased from my local thrift store. I only paid $1 for it, and I'm gonna make it over and make it cute for our kitchen everyday look. I'm gonna remove the handles and I'm gonna paint them with a sage folk art paint. When the handles are dry, I'm gonna put them back to our rolling pin, and just a little paint makes a huge difference. I really like how it is. I didn't want it to touch the middle because who knows, maybe I'm gonna make some cookies with this rolling pin. So I'm just gonna put the handles back and I'm gonna add some bow, and that's it. Super cute, very simple makeover. For a bow, I'm using this green gingham style bow from Dollar Tree, and I'm just making a simple shoelace bow. I added a second bow on the other handle, but I thought that's too much. So I'm just gonna remove one of the bows and I'm gonna leave it just with one simple bow. And I really love how it looks. This video is a part of amazing playlist called What Would You Make Challenge that I love, hosted by my beautiful friend Zana, OK at Home DIY, and Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. They're hosting this amazing challenge every month, and this month guest host is Theresa B DIY. All amazing creators, super talented, creating beautiful home decor. If you haven't visited their channel by now, please do so and show them a lots of love, along with the amazing playlist with so many talented creators. All links in my description box. For my next flip, I found these cute cutting boards, grill boards, I don't know how you call them. They came as a set. It says $5, but it was 50% off, so I only paid $2.50. I'm gonna clean them up well and I'm gonna make them over very beautiful. On the first one, I'm adding a tape vertically on the side so I can make a line and paint it out. Today, my theme scheme is a sage color, and that's what I've been using throughout my whole projects. To make vertical line, we're gonna add 3 tapes straight, and we're gonna remove the one tape that it's in the middle, and we're gonna paint that line. For my second board, I'm gonna add line horizontally and do the same thing. Add 3 tapes and just remove the middle tape. Beige color on these boards were showing too light, so I added an extra little bit of darker green and mixed it up, and I went over again with it. Now when they're dry, I'm just removing the tape. and I'm really satisfied how they came out so far. To add extra embellishment, I'm adding extra line on my longer board, and I'm gonna do horizontally this time. And I'm gonna do the same process, 3 tapes, removing 1 tape in the middle and making a straight line. Now that it's all dry, I'm removing the tapes out of it, and we're gonna make more patterns. This time I'm adding a thin line of tape, and we're gonna make 2 straight thin lines on each side of this vertical line, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna just glue over so we can make a space, and adding more tape on the side of each side of my lines. I'm also covering the line that we painted, and also we're gonna add tape on each side, and we're gonna remove those thin tape lines that we added, and that's where we're gonna paint. Now that the both lines are painted and dry, I'm just gonna remove the tapes. And we're gonna get a beautiful, satisfying look. To complete the look for this board, I'm also making a shoelace simple bow and tying in the middle of it with this beautiful gingham style bow, and that's about it. Super cute makeover. You gotta let me know if you like it, and if you're gonna try to remake this design for your boards too. Now I'm going back to my smaller cutting board. I'm gonna add extra design, and I'm gonna use this stencil that I got in my crafting stack, and I'm gonna use a paint and putting one design on the side of it. This cutting board, we're gonna make it as a riser. I'm gonna glue wooden legs on the bottom. I got those wooden legs from Hobby Lobby on clearance. Adding a wood glue, and we're gonna add 5 of them. First I thought 4 is gonna work, but since this cutting board have a long handle, we're gonna put another wooden leg on top of that handle, and it's gonna look super cute riser that we can decorate for our kitchen. Now that it's ready, I'm gonna be adding this beautiful round wooden box that I got in my stack. I'm adding some greenery, and look how cute it looks. We can use it as a standing boards next to the longer board, or we can just use it as a riser. You gotta let me know, what do you think? I really love this color scheme and how it all came out together. For my next makeover, I'm using this jar sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna just remove the paper that it's coming with it. and it didn't work. So I'm using the method that other crafters are also using: wet towel, wet wipes on it, and just leave it for a little bit until it's all wet, and then we can remove that paper very super easy. After a few minutes with a scraper, I'm just removing the top of this jar sign, and look how easy it is when it's all wet. Now when it's all nice and clean and dry, I'm just gonna cover it with the same sage folk art paint, and now I'm gonna make it over. I'm adding the galvanized cap that it came with it back. Also, I'm gonna add that gingham style ribbon to match my theme scheme today on top, and adding a simple bow on the side. And we're gonna cover that sea leather with scrapbook sheet paper. And we're gonna have a nice, beautiful kitchen look mason jar sign from C's Kitchen. What do you think? To get that farmhouse rustic look, I added some wood stain on it, and I also covered the back of my sign to look nice and neat. And if you like to sell out signs like this, you gotta make it all fully professionally covered and looks very beautiful. And for my fifth wooden makeover today, I'm gonna be using this beautiful wooden box, and we're gonna make it over. On the drawer, I'm gonna add this tile sticker just for extra embellishment, and I'm gonna paint the sides and the frames with the sage paint, and we're gonna create a pattern with the wood and the sage paint. And we're gonna get that rustic look on this beautiful wooden box, and we're gonna add our other projects in it and make it beautiful for our kitchen look. Now that it's all nice and dry, I'm using a wood stain on it to get that rustic farmhouse look, and going all over the box where we painted and throughout the wood. And I really love the look, how it came out, and it's gonna look like a perfect match for all the creations that we made today. And you gotta let me know, what do you think, and how do you like this beautiful color that we used today for our theme scheme? For the drawer, I'm gonna use one of those wooden handles that I got in my stack. I'm just measuring now where I'm gonna drill the holes for this handle, and we're gonna put it in, and that's it for this makeover. Let me know, what do you think? Before I let you go, watching the final reveal and how all together it came out, don't forget to check out the amazing Zana, Connie, Theresa's channel and the amazing playlists. All links in my description box. And until next time, super amazing Christmas decor is coming up. I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you, my darlings. Bye-bye.